Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of x from this radical equation. We are given that square root of x plus square root of x is equal to x plus x. And we are asked to solve for the value of all the possible value of x that will satisfy this equation. The first thing we need to recall is when we have a plus a, this implies we are adding the same thing. This is the same as 2a. So therefore, when we have square root of x plus square root of x, this is going to be the same as what? 2 of square root of x, which is equal to x plus s is going to give us 2x. The next thing we're going to do is to divide both sides by 2. Since we have 2 in both sides, to cancel out the 2. So we divide the left hand side by 2 and also the right hand side by 2, so that this 2 is going to eliminate this 2. We are left with just square root of x, which is equal to, this 2 will cancel this 2. It will remain only x in the right hand side. So the next thing we're going to do, as you can see, this x here have square root. So we need to eliminate that square root by squaring both sides of the equation. So we square the left hand side and also we square the right hand side. So that this square is going to cancel the square root. We are left with just x in the left hand side, which is equal to x to power 2 is the same as x squared. Now the next thing we're going to do is to take this x square to the left hand side. So this is going to be what? X, and when it crosses, it's going to change to minus x square, which is equal to 0. Now if you look at the left hand side, we have x is common because we have x here and also there is x here. So we factor out the one that have least power, which is x to power 1. So we factor out x, then we open bracket. X divided by x is to remain only 1, minus x squared divided by x, it will remain 1x. So everything will be equal to 0. Now when two terms multiply itself to be 0, it's either the first one, x equal to 0, or the second one, 1 minus x equal to 0. Here is one of the value of x. And to look for the second value of x from here, we have 1 minus x equal to 0. So this is the same as what? 1 equal to x. When we take this negative x to the right hand side, 1 equal to x, or x is equal to 1. So this is the second solution. So for you to confirm that these two solutions really satisfy this equation, we need to plug in the value of x as 0 back to the original equation. When you plug in 0 here and 0 here, square root of 0 is 0, square root of 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is the same as 0, and when you plug in 0, 0 here, so 0 will be equal to 0. So therefore, this first solution satisfies the equation. And when you plug in 1 here and 1 here, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. And when you plug in 1 here also, we're going to get 2. So 2 is the same as 2. So therefore, these two real numbers satisfy the equation. So x is either equal to 0 or 1. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click on the subscriber button.